Hi guys, today's tutorial is a really fun crisscross braids. So to start this style out, I'm going to part the hair down the middle and I'm going to create two front pigtails on either side of the head. Now I'm pulling in quite a bit of hair because we're going to be making a lot of braids in the back of the head, so we need a good chunk of hair to create our braids. So I'm going to tie those off with some clear elastics. Now I will tell you, this style does take a bit of time to do, so I wouldn't try this on a busy morning. I don't think it's difficult, it just requires a lot of braiding. So you want to make sure that you set aside a little bit of extra time for this style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the hair in half on one of my ponytails. And then the section to the left, I'm just going to clip that up and put it out of the way. Next, I'm going to create 5 small micro braids out of the hair that's remaining. Now this is the part that takes time, is just creating all these braids. So you might want to use some water or spray gel and spray the braids down. I used water with them, and then when I get to the bottom of my braids, you can either put a bobby pin at the bottom or you can tie it off with a clear elastic. Now whatever you do at the bottom, you want to make sure it's not going to be really tight. So if you put in an elastic, just wrap it around 2 or 3 times, because later you're going to be taking it out. So just try to divide the hair as evenly as possible here to create your 5 braids. Now once I have all 5 braids done, I'm going to go to the other side and do the exact same thing, creating my 5 micro braids and putting the other half of the hair up on the top of the head. From there, I'm going to clip the hair, grabbing the hair underneath to start doing my weave. So then I'm just going to go over, under with my first braid, and then I'm going to clip it to the ponytail on the other side. Now I'm going to do the opposite of what I just did for the last braid, lacing it through my 5 braids. Once I get to the other side, I'm just going to clip it. So here I'm going under the braid, over, under, and over, and clipping it into place. This is probably the trickiest part, just getting the crisscross in place so that you're ready to braid. You just need to make sure you have a lot of clips so you can kind of hold the hair in place. So once I get all 5 of my pieces laced through, then I can start my braid. So I'm going to lead the side with the black clips in place, and then I'm going to take out the elastics, or I'm sorry, the clips on the other side. I decided to tie my hair off in elastics instead of bobby pins because it was just holding together a lot easier. So now I'm going to let down the hair on the right side ponytail, and I'm just going to create a simple braid here. I'm going to braid down about halfway, and I want the braid to just go straight down the head. Once I get about halfway down, I'm going to start incorporating pieces of the braid. So I'm going to put in the top braid and do a left cross over, and see how I'm pulling out those elastics? I don't need them anymore. Then I'm going to do another stitch on the left side, a stitch on the right, and then I'm going to cross back over on the left, pick up another braid, the one that's right underneath it, and add it to my braid. So stitch on the right, pulling out the elastics, stitch on the left, stitch again on the right, and then stitch on the left, putting in a braid. So there's going to be one stitch in between each braid that you're putting into place. You could put them more closely if you like. This is just what I tried to do for this style. Now, you want to make sure this braid is going straight down the head. So when you're putting in those braids, make sure you're pulling them over so that they let the braid fall straight down. So I'm going to braid down until I have all 5 of my little micro braids in place. Once I get them all in place, all I'm going to simply do is just continue the braid down. Once I get to the bottom of the braid, I'm just going to tie it off with a clear elastic. Now I'm going to repeat that step on the other side of the hair. So I'm just creating a 3-strand braid, and I'm going to go about halfway down the hair. Now I'm going to take the top braid and incorporate it in, and then do a stitch on the left, a stitch on the right, a stitch on the left, and then a stitch on the right, and I'm going to incorporate the next braid down. Now when I'm doing this side, I'm moving the braids and positioning them in place, trying to make them as even as possible while I'm braiding. This is really important. And once I get to the bottom, I'm just going to continue my braid down, tie it off with a clear elastic. From there, I'm just cleaning up the underneath, combing through it. I also added some gold cuffs to the ends of my braid to finish it off. I hope you enjoyed this style. Please subscribe by hitting the circle in the top left corner of your screen.